Meaning of fail-safe.
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 Fail-safe. Fail-safe refers to a system or device designed to automatically prevent or mitigate the consequences of a failure or malfunction. The aim of a fail-safe mechanism is to minimize harm to people or damage to equipment in the event of a problem, and ensure that operations can continue as normally as possible. Fail-safe mechanisms are commonly used in aviation, nuclear power plants, and other high-risk situations where failures could have catastrophic consequences. By implementing such mechanisms, potential accidents can be avoided or contained, ensuring that safety is maintained even in the face of unexpected events.